Acquiring wealth means simply gaining money or assets, often through means like a high salary, inheritance, or buying existing investments, while creating wealth refers to actively generating new value or income through entrepreneurial ventures, innovative ideas, or strategic investments that grow over time, essentially building wealth from the ground up rather than just accumulating it. Key points to remember. Acquiring wealth can be a passive process, like receiving an inheritance, focuses on accumulating existing assets. It may not involve significant risk-taking. Onpassive fits this description. Why? Onpassive is a high-tech company in digital products and AI-driven solutions. Every product that is produced by Onpassive is already in existence by companies in those same industries. So the money is already there in those companies. So what makes Onpassive different? Onpassive refines those existing products made by other companies to a most advanced technology that makes Onpassive better value, because Onpassive sells this technology at a reduced amount of money that is paid by users of those products and at an extreme market value. The money is already there. Onpassive acquires those customers who are attracted to Onpassive because Onpassive gives them a better product for less money and better technology. For example, the video conferencing industry is being dominated by a company, and Onpassive has entered into that industry. Onpassive's video conferencing technology is vastly superior to any video conferencing platform in that industry. Onpassive's video conferencing technology will be state-of-the-art over market value. Video conferencing technology price far lower than any other video conferencing platform. Users are already buying these other companies' video conferencing technology. Now, when Onpassive opens its video conferencing technology, where do you think users will go for their video conferencing technology? Onpassive. The money is already there. When Onpassive acquires the users from these other companies, their money is coming into Onpassive. Every industry in offering technology to the public, Onpassive will be in that industry. The users and their money are already created. Onpassive will acquire that money from existing users in all those industries. When Onpassive creates a product or solution that is not thought about or developed, and people see value, Onpassive will have something that no other company has. Onpassive would then have created wealth. Why? Because creating wealth requires active effort and strategic planning. It often involves building assets that generate businesses. Onpassive will have products that will be unique and totally revolutionary. Mr. Ash Mufareh has made the statement that Onpassive does not create wealth. Wealth is already here. Onpassive will acquire the wealth and share the wealth by distributing the wealth to those who are part of Onpassive. We are in an extremely extraordinary place. Onpassive, with our CEO, Mr. Ash Mufareh, and his family and his technology team, will lead all founders to a land brimming with financial freedom.